Hello everyone. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can transfer a file from your local computer to your phone. You need to know the name of the file that you want to transfer to your phone, which is very important, and where you have saved the file. It doesn't matter whether it's a video or a picture. This is how you can transfer a file from your computer to your phone. Now this is how to do it. Go down here at the taskbar, click on that arrow, you will find the Bluetooth icon. Tap on it or click on it. Now choose send a file. I'm going to click on that. These are the devices that are available. Click on the device you would like to transfer your file to. So I'm going to click on that to select it. Now go down there and select next. Now here, browse for the file that you want to send. In the navigation pane here, I'm going to scroll to find the location where the file is. As you all know, the file is on the desktop, so I'll click on the desktop. Now scroll down to find the name of the file. Here it is. I'll click on it and click open. So before you go ahead to click next, ensure that your phone's Bluetooth is on. So I'm going to go and click next. So you would see on your phone file transfer, there's a prompt there. You need to tap on the accept, otherwise the file would not be sent to your phone. So I'm going to tap here, accept. And then you will see the receiving QR code, which is the file. The larger the file, the more time it would take to transfer this file from your computer to your phone. If the file is small in size, it will take minimum time to transfer to your phone. So let's give it some time and see the file transfer. You can see here the file has now been successfully transferred. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, share the video, drop me a comment in the comment section. Let the conversation be key. I'll see you in the next video. For more tech tips like this,